Lesson 14.9 is going to be expanding logs to find an actual numerical value. So I kind of like this section because it teaches you, or it builds on what we just did, but takes it a step further to actually get a single number as your final answer. So they're going to tell us what these logs equal. Log of A, when I see that, I'm going to replace it with 9. Log of B is going to be 3, and log of C is going to be -7. But right now, I've got everything into a single log. I've got log of just all this smushed together. I want to use my properties to expand this. Think of an accordion. You're expanding it or stretching it out. So my log here, I see that I've got a to the 7th times b squared. So remember, when I see multiplication, that gets split with logs that have addition between them. So I'm going to have log of a to the 7th plus log of b squared. When I have division, that means I'm going to have minus my log of c to the 5th. So that's all that is. Multiplication has addition, division has subtraction, and I put log, log, log. So it's 3 logs split up. And then all I have to do is take my exponents and move them to the front as multiplication. So it'd be 7 times log of A plus 2 times log of B minus 5 times log of C. And now I can do my substitution. So log of A is really 9. So I'll have 7 times 9 plus log of B, which is 3. So I have 2 times 3 minus log of C is -7. So I'll have -5 times -7. 7 times 9 is 63. 2 times 3 is 6. -5 times -7 is 35. I'm going to just add that on my calculator. And I get 104. And that is the final answer on that one. Pretty straightforward. All right, the other one's a little tricky because of one little spot. The fact that we have 2 terms getting multiplied in the denominator. So when I go to split this up, I'm going to have my log of c squared. There's no multiplication on the top like there was in this problem. So there's no addition. Then I'm going to have a minus, since I'm dividing. And then all of this part has the minus in front of it. So I need to really do a distributive property here to have this negative going to both these parts. So I'll have log of a to the 9th. Since there's multiplication here with the b, then I'll have plus log of b to the 9th. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and distribute so I don't have to worry about that anymore. I'll have log of c squared minus log a to the 9th, since that's a -1 getting multiplied, and then that negative times a positive makes it a minus log b to the 9th. And then I just need to take my powers and move them to the front as multiplication. It would be 2 times log of c minus 9 times log of a minus 9 times log of b. Okay, log of c gets replaced with the -6, so it's 2 times -6 minus 9 times log of a, which is 7, minus 9 times log of b, which is -12. 2 times -6 is -12, minus 63 plus, I believe that's 108, which makes a final answer of 33.